Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and in this video I'm going to show you the 41-cent multi-radius corner rounding tool. Let's get going. Okay, here we are. So basically, we're going to corner around this piece of leather here, and then I'm going to show you how we do it in the studio, and then I'm going to show you this little toolkit, and I'm going to explain why you might want to use an Xacto knife versus a utility knife, although you can use both. So first, let's get started here. I'll show you that tool in a second there. This tool is not 41 cents. This is a Xacto corner rounding tool, and there you can see the corner rounder by Xacto, L-A-S-S-C-O. I don't know what the cost is. It's about $200. It's in that area, $150 to $250. I just can't remember. And all we do for this, let's get a, okay, you see the corner there? We're going to just turn this, just push down on it, and you can see the corner has been rounded. And that's it. So that's nice. And this tool is nice. You can get different inserts here. This one is a 1/4 inch radius. I don't know if you can see that in there. But you can get 1/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, all kinds of stuff. And you just put those in there. And that's it. It does your corner rounding. Now, for those of us who don't want to spend that much money on a corner rounding tool, because I mean, we use that one every single day. Let's get into the 41-cent tool. It's basically a quarter, a nickel, a dime, and a penny. 41 cents. And the one we use most is the dime. In fact, when I first started making journals over 20 years ago, we used the dime. And we called it, people who worked for me would call it, you know, where's the dime? That's how we would do this. And so the reason I'm using a thinner Xacto knife over a utility knife is because a thinner blade, as you can see, is so much easier to use going around corners and doing finer work. So that's why we use that. So basically, you're just going to see if I can zoom in here a little more. We're just going to put the dime on there and hold your knife straight up and down. Don't angle it in or out. Straight up and down. And just cut it around the corner, and that's it. And you can do it a couple times. You might not go through the first time. Just hold your die there. This is our 10-cent die, and that's it. And you can, if there's any little loose stuff, you can clean it off. You can also burn any little loose, thready stuff. Like can you see this over here? You can use a lighter to just burn that off. So you can make that size radius. If we try using our utility knife on it, it's big. It's just a little harder. But so with this, when we do it that way, we take like at least 3 turns, and there's the round. And then of course you can do it freehand. If you do it freehand and you don't know how to get it perfect, one trick you can do is just cut a little triangle off the end, and then take a little, just start cutting into it like that and rounding it off and making it look nice. And there you have it. There's another way to corner round. So you can do it with one of these 3 if you want. Of course, if you want a larger radius, then just use your quarter or your penny or your nickel. But mostly what we use for our journals is the dime, or what we used to use. Now we just use the 1/4 inch radius die inside of our Xacto corner rounder. And that's it. So I hope this helps you, teaches you a little bit about corner rounding and how we do it. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.